Hi, welcome to JWR Academy. In this video, we are discussing the example 95 parenthesis 2 plus 3 parenthesis kilo whole square. So here, how to solve this question? First of all, we simplify the parenthesis in bracket. So in this bracket, we first simplify inside the value. Okay, so here we write the 95 same as and 2 plus 3 is 5. Okay, so square. Now we simplify the exponent to 5 the 25, and this is the multiplication sign here 25. Okay, when we solve 95 multiply 25 and answer we will get 2375. This is the right answer of this question. If you like this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for next interesting video.